What is test case writing in software? Test case writing basically means writing down and documenting the test cases, which involves a set of actions in order to execute the functionality of a specific feature of a software application which is under test. It is a guide that helps in executing the test cases in a step by step method. For example, if you are testing a login functionality of a software application, by understanding and documenting the scenario in one line, you need to break it down into further steps in order to perform that action to test that specific field, which we called as a test case. Suppose this is the login page that we need to test, which shows to fill in the username, the password, remember me check sign, which is optional, and the login button. In order to test the login page, you need to enter the valid username, you need to enter the valid password, and then click on the login button. So, as a whole, in order to test the functionality of the login page, you need to enter the correct credentials. That means valid credentials. That is the valid username and the valid password, and then login. Since we as a user already registered in order to log into the page, this will be the precondition of the test that we need to document as well in a tool. I am now showing you the example test case and how to write and document these. The title of the test case or this test suite is the login page. The precondition is the user is already registered with valid credentials for signing up. The test steps that is involved are enter the valid username, enter the valid password, and click on the login button. Next comes the test environment on which the test is being executed. For example, Windows 10, iPhone XR 15.6.1, etc. Now comes the expected results. After testing a module or a field of an application, what should be the expected result? That you have to write it down. Let's say after you enter the username and password and you enter the login button, you should be able to log in and then redirect it to the page where you are supposed to be. For example, you must be redirected to the home page. After you log in successfully, the status of the test should be marked as passed. Also, you need to mark the status in the document. And lastly comes the actual results, which means after executing the tests, the expected result must be the actual results and meets the requirement of the customer. When we document these, we should write like these. First, the preconditions. Second, test steps. Third, expected result. Fourth, test case or the test suite. Fifth, actual result. Sixth, status of the tests. These I will continue with more details in my upcoming videos. Like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified of my new uploads. Thank you for watching.